go.
Oh, 3.
EFXtra, 1 FPV, and James, you're flying the other one, non-FPV, line of sight. Let's see how this goes.
Guess which one's coming back?
You ready, Dom?
How's the sun, Dom?
It's all right, actually.
Sun is fucking where it is.
Yeah. You really want a nice floaty glider for an evening like today?
Sounds quite nice.
I mean, I took off and then just flew over here.
It's that one there. That one, yeah. You reckon? It's that one there. That one, yeah. You reckon?
Oh, that was clean. Yeah, that was good.
I've just caught a glimpse of James in front of me.
How close to the trees were you? They always look close. Definitely looks close. Sorry, champ.
That's better. Nearly the trees.
So close to the tree.
Yeah, likewise.
There's a guy on the approach halfway across to me.
Follow me in. Follow me in.
Oh, right! Woohoo! That was brilliant! I missed that. I haven't done that in about a couple of years. Fantastic. It's flying the EFX Racer is a brilliant model, flying it line of sight, but there's nothing like flying FPV. Here comes James. Fantastic. Oh, that was so good.
When the sun's like that, FPV's where it's at, I think.
Yeah, actually, the camera cancelled out the sun really well. So there we go. It's the EFX Racer, and if you've flown it line of sight, you have to try flying it FPV because it's a lot of fun. I think it's easier to fly it FPV than it is line of sight, particularly on a bright evening. So thanks for watching. See you next time.
That's better. Nearly the trees.
So close to the tree. It's that one there.